Today we had a bull channel from yesterday. Bull channel is a bear flag. We gapped above the channel instead of below it. And normally, if the market breaks above a channel, it reverses back down to at least test the channel within about 5 bars or so. Possible trend from the first bar bear, so I think it's an okay short. I tend to scalp most of the position unless I have a reason to believe it's a good setup for a major bear trend day. And at this point, I don't see that. A good follow-through, so at this minute, I think always in is down, and then if the market trades up, it should hold the bar 1 high and try to get a second leg down. I think there are going to be shorts above bar 3. As far as shorting above bar 4 goes, I don't know, you get a little double top, it could break out to the upside. Trying to break out, but I want to see follow-through. I want to see 2 bull bars to erase the 2 bear bars at 1 and 2, and we didn't get that. We have a doji bar instead of a bull bar, so to me it's still on the always in short, and we had a report right now, so I didn't place the order to go short below bar 6. It's a bear bar. To me, it's a trading range market right now. Another bear bar, so this is looking good for the bears. Breakout to the new low of the day. The range is less than half of an average daily range, so the market probably will get a measured move out of this. As far as shorting this goes or waiting for a breakout pullback, I don't think it matters. Doji, breakout pullback, I'd rather see something better than that. That's an uncertainty bar. So it makes me think there are probably buyers beneath. 2-bar reversal at 12. To me, it's a micro channel down from 6, so I personally would not buy that. As far as shorting, I'm expecting the breakout of the micro channel to fail. As far as shorting the failed breakout, which then becomes a breakout pullback short, I didn't do it. No, that was probably my biggest mistake of the day. 2-bar reversal here. I should have shorted below 14 because I expected at least a measured move down, and here we have a breakout pullback. I was concerned about the moving average being up for the past 4 hours, but the market didn't care. 16, 17 looks like it's trying to form a micro wedge, so there's some buying pressure coming in here. 17, 18, micro wedge type action, double bottom. You can argue it's a breakout pullback from the micro channel down to 11, or you can say that 14 through 18 is another micro channel, which is how I read this. The market may be starting to form a trading range. It may test up to the 13, 14 high. There's room for a scalp, so I think it's an okay scalp, but I wouldn't swing this. A decent bull bar on 20, and the bulls needed follow through on 21 to flip the market to always in long, and instead they got a doji bar. So I think the market should test down either to probably more likely a higher low and more of a trading range, but could be a lower low. The market should try to preserve this wedge and try to get 2 legs up. Probably 60+% chance of that. Bad looking high 1 above 23, so I think there will be sellers up there. I was hoping for a second leg up to short, and I didn't get it. I did short in here, and I ended up scratching it. I don't know if I got out for a tick or something, but anyway, I ended up scratching it. That was a mistake. Since I was willing to scale in and sell more higher, I should have just stuck with it. Bull inside bar on 26, and maybe setting up for a second leg up. Less likely it'll go test the low of 18, and it took the less likely choice, so I did not short below 27. 2 more bear bars on 27, 28. Is it a breakout for more down, or has there been a lot of two-sided trading since the 3rd bar of the day? And more likely the market's trying to form the bottom of a trading range. I think to me it looks like 3 and 4 are dojis. 6 is a doji, 5 is a bull bar, 12, 13 bull bars, 18, 19, 20, 21 bull bars, 27. Lots of tails at the bottom of the bar. So the bulls have been active since the 3rd bar of the day, and that's not how strong bear trend days look. So either this is a weak bear trend day or a trading range day. And in either case, I think it's okay to be looking to buy new swing lows. Good-looking bull reversal bar at 39. Possible low for the next couple hours. The market may trade up and get up to the bar 21 high, maybe to the 14 high. Reversing into a bull trend day, I think, is less likely, but this should be good for at least a couple of points and a couple of legs. You had a wedge, you had a breakout, and you had a wedge breakout pullback to a lower low. Sometimes when you break below a wedge bottom, you get a measured move down. Other times you get this. You get a failed breakout, and it basically just becomes a breakout pullback from the earlier breakout. Market went into a tight trading range in here. The odds still favor more up, but in the tight trading range, the odds drop a lot. So instead of 60%, they go down to 53%. The odds still favor a second leg up. Little breakout on 41, not very impressive. 42, I wouldn't short that as a failed breakout. I think it's more likely there would be buyers below. And what would happen is the market gets a breakout pullback long. Went outside up on the breakout pullback long, so that's hard to enter. It's always better to enter below bars. Okay, 3 more bull bars, 45 and 46. But we're starting to get a spike in channel look. 29, 30, 31 spike, and then pause, pullback, tight trading range, and now a channel. And the channel has a wedge bear flag look, with either 37 or 41 being the first push, 43 the tail on top, the second, and then 45 the third push up. It's a bull micro channel, so I think it's probably not going to go straight down, and I think it's risky shorting the first breakout. Outside down, strong looking reversal bar. That's some selling pressure, but I doubt that the market is going to go straight down, because the bull micro channel up from 40 is fairly tight, and the biggest pullback since the low of the day has only been 5 ticks. So I'd rather either look to buy a high 2, or I would look to short a second entry short. There's a high 2 at 50, but to me it looks like kind of a micro channel down. I wouldn't buy it. I'd rather buy a wedge bull flag. So if we get another push down, I think that's a better setup. The market went outside up on 52. So you can argue 3 pushes down, 47, 50, 52. But to me it looks like a tight trading range, and I wouldn't buy up there. I would wait for a better signal.